Hi guys! Happy 2023 and a happy new year to each and every one of you. So guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode, I'm going to share to you my worst and best luxury purchase of 2022. So if you want to find out what are my list guys, what made it to the top 3, please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, let us start first with my worst luxury purchase of 2022. The very first one is from YSL here from Saint Laurent, as you can see with this small box. Have any guesses guys? It is my YSL Kate tassel earrings. So let me just pull them out. Here they are. I'm going to put some close-up shots here, but I purchased this YSL Kate tassel earrings at Italist.com, so I don't have any issues guys with Italist.com. They have been very supportive and a very good partner of this channel. The reason why I am including this on my worst luxury purchase of 2022, number one is when I purchased this one from Italist.com, I was expecting, because the description is gold Kate tassel earrings. However, this one guys, unfortunately, this is not like gold like compared to what I'm wearing here, like for example my Moschino earrings or what I am wearing, because so this one is like a champagne gold, so I'm a little bit disappointed of that one. And of course, I think the second one is in photos, because there were no photos on the website that a model is wearing this YSL Kate tassel earrings over here. So I don't have any ideas, like for example, the size of the YSL logo over here. I was imagining this is like a little bit of a statement earring, because guys, as you are seeing me, I love a good statement fashion. I love a good statement earrings over here. I love, everything to be shouty. But when I receive this one, it's super tiny. If I'm going to wear this, it's like it's not making any statement in my opinion. Whenever I am wearing this one, I need to wear them on one ear so that when people are going to see them, they would immediately know that this is a YSL ear. And then the next reason why I am including this on my worst luxury purchase, again, no fault at Italist.com, it's with how our customs here, our local customs, charge me. So they charge me with the duties and tax, which check, I am okay with that one. Unfortunately, they are claiming that this is a real jewelry, not a costume jewelry. So they added an excise tax, which is additional 40% on the duties and taxes that I have to pay for. So I have to pay so much extra just to get this, delivered at my home. That's why I didn't really had a good experience with this one. But of course, I'm not really sure if I would be selling this, because this is the only YSL earrings that I have, so I may still keep this in my collection. Alright, so the worst luxury purchase of 2022 guys, I'm sure you have seen the unboxing, but it is my Chanel Messenger bag in black caviar leather. So I don't have the bag here guys, so I'm going to share the news later. But if you have seen the unboxing, as you have noticed, initially I was happy with the bag because the caviar leather is very good. It has good quality to it. Unfortunately, the seller failed to mention one major defect of the bag, which is there is a major rip on the sides of the bag, on the shoulder strap. Because if it's a rip, like for example with the lining where the bag has, I'm okay with it because that was disclosed. Unfortunately, since this was not disclosed on the information when I purchased this one, plus it's on the sling guys, definitely it would affect on the use of the bag, which would make the bag unusable. So I tried to contact the seller with this one. Honestly, I had a nightmare with this Chanel Messenger bag. I contacted the seller was unhelpful and was very unresponsive. So what I did was I tried to get a refund via PayPal. PayPal was going to issue me a refund. Unfortunately, they are saying that I need to send this back to Japan. But when I have checked with FedEx, I'm okay to send it back. But FedEx is saying that it needs to have the authenticity certificate, that I'm able to guarantee that this is an authentic Chanel bag. But of course, since I purchased this one pre-love vintage, it did not come with all those certificates. I won't be able to ship it back. Unfortunately, if I would ship it to Japan without all those things, Japan's custom may just confiscate the bag. And if it gets confiscated by Japan's custom, I will not get a refund. So it's like I'm already at loss, you know, it's a no-win situation for me. So what I did was I just brought it to Dr. Leather and I'm having the leather strap repaired. So I'm just waiting for it to be repaired, and once I have news, I would be sharing it to you guys, and hopefully I could turn this nightmare into such a beautiful dream. Guys, I'm so happy with my purchases for 2022 because those are the only two worst purchases that I did last year. So now let's move on to the best purchases of 2022. Let's start first with custom jewelry. So let's make this quick. So first one, of course, is the Chanel earrings over here. Is it focusing, guys? So I'm going to put some more close-up photo. So these earrings over here did not came with any pair, but it actually worked in my favor because I would want to be a little bit different. So if I would be wearing this on here on one side, it looks very edgy, very fashion forward. And of course, since it did not come with a pair, then definitely I got these very beautiful earrings from a steal. So definitely one of the best purchase. I use her all the time, as you have noticed on my shopping vlogs whenever I would be going out, or mostly on our vlogs here. One of the next best purchase of 2022, this one, guys, I super happy. It is the Louis Vuitton key clay. Yes, guys, so finally I've been searching for this one for a while now, and luckily I was able to get her directly from our Louis Vuitton store here because I wasn't prepared to get this one at the pre-love market, and they are jacking up the price. So I got this one. I'm so lucky when I've asked my CA, do you have this? And luckily he brought this out, and without thinking I said yes, because previously what I've seen was a graphite, and I don't have any graphite, and I'm not in love with the graphite canvas of Louis Vuitton. I was looking for the monogram canvas, in which I feel I would be able to use this on my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat, or on my toiletry pouch, and on my new Louis Vuitton bag that's coming. That's why I'm so happy that I got this one. As you know, no need to make a review. Definitely this one has many uses. You can use her as key holder, you could use her to put your credit cards here, or you could use to put your bills inside. So such a perfect purchase of the Louis Vuitton key clay. Alright, so now let's move on to the bag category of the best purchase of 2022. The very first one would be a birthday gift, and it is the Coach Tabby Top Handle 20. So this one, guys, I'm so lucky that I was able to add her to my collection. I had a crush on this one when it was launched, like maybe a couple of years back. And finally, I was able to add her from my collection. And best part is, guys, I'm sure you know, I got her 40% off from our Coach store here in the Philippines. So this is one of the birthday gift that I gave myself last year. So this is her color is beige, and she has silver hardware. She comes with a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. You could carry her as a shoulder strap and as a crossbody bag. Then opening her, guys, as you can see here, she has very generous compartments. So she has zippered compartment here, then two main compartment, then a slip pocket in front. And one of the best feature of this bag would be the back pocket, because with the back pocket, guys, this is where I would be inserting my phone very easy. Then of course, she comes with 4 feet, and as you know, this is the only Kelly style bag in my collection. That's why I super love this Coach Tabby Top Handle 20. The only wish that I have for this bag, because this is already a discontinued style, and I am really praying so hard with Coach that they bring this bag, because they don't have this style of bag in their selection. If they are going to release this in a much bigger version, like for example a size 26, even a size 35, I would definitely want to add a Coach Tabby on a much bigger size. Alright, for the best luxury purchase, top number 2 for my bag, do you have any guesses, guys? It is my Beaded Fendi Baguette 1997. Yes, guys! So as you can see, so I purchased this one pre-love from a Japanese consignment store, and I wasn't expecting her condition to be as beautiful as this, because when I saw the photos online, I was guessing her condition was around 4 to 5 over 10, and nobody was paying attention to this one. So I purchased this one in such a good price, guys, if you will only know. And then when I have done a true unboxing and I have revealed this, I was actually surprised with this one because her condition is very, very beautiful, and I could immediately tell that she is an authentic Fendi Baguette because of the quality, because of the weight. And as I have noticed, the beads are still 100% intact. There are just discoloration, yes, but the beads that haven't fallen off. So she has, you know, all white with off-white leather trims here. Then if we are going to open, she has one huge compartment. So I already have an insert, you know, all the detail. Then at the back, so this is the back, there is a zippered compartment here. And there is an authenticity number as well. That's why I super love this one. She is a perfect party bag. You can also carry this one, you know, for the entire day event, because the size of this one, this is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is around 26 centimeters. So it carries the things that I need, the trifecta, the phone, power bank and cord, and a Chanel pouch with all my makeup plus my YSL card holder. So you could carry her like this. So this is adjustable. So this one is a little bit high because I wanted to carry this bag top handle, but she has, I believe, 3 settings or 4 settings. So you can lower this down so you would have ample space at the shoulder. But I adjusted it on the highest setting because I would want to carry her as a top handle. Plus, guys, as you know, that Vintage has just relaunched or reissued their Fendi Baguette with their 25th anniversary, and the price of their new reissued Fendi Beaded Baguette bag is around, if I'm not mistaken, around 4,000 to 6,000 USD, and I only got this for a very good price, in which I'm so happy that I got her on my collection. For my top one, best luxury purchase of 2022, your guesses, guys? So it is my Chanel full flap bag in beige clear. Yes, guys, so this is my best purchase for year 2022. As you can see, what is the reason why I am considering her the top one? Of course, number one, she is Chanel. So who could deny Chanel, right? So I got this one pre-love from a Japanese consignment store. And if I'm not mistaken, aside from the Chanel Caviar, this is the most recent Chanel purchase, or the most recent Chanel bag that I purchased for myself. So her condition is also in wonderful condition. So main material is lambskin all over, and as you are going to notice that the hardware is the 24K gold hardware. Her size is around 24 centimeters across, so definitely I love carrying her around. It could fit my trifecta phone, power bank, my Chanel makeup pouch, YSL card holder. She has very generous compartments, so if we are going to open one huge compartment, then she has mini compartment, she has a zippered compartment, and she has this little surprise up front, so she has a pocket over here. And best part on this bag, when I got her, she doesn't have any color transfers at all, because I was scared that, of course, with this kind of leather material, lambskin, then lighter color, there would be so much color transfer. And guys, I was able to find an exact bag on this one on the pre-love market. I'm going to link it on the description box below. They are selling it for around 4,000 to 6,000 USD. Like, I did not pay for this one on that price. OMG, that's why when I saw that, I was like, oh my god. So definitely, and the condition of this one is way better from the one that is being sold online. So if you want this bag, guys, make sure to check the link out. But definitely, I'm so happy to have this very beautiful vintage Chanel full flap bag in my collection. I feel that I'm so lucky to have her on my collection, and definitely never ever letting go of this very beautiful bag. There, so those are my best and worst luxury purchase for 2022. I feel I have been good and better compared to 2021, so good job. But definitely I would keep bettering my purchasing game. So next time I will be sharing my updated luxury wish list for 2023. So guys, how about you? I would love to hear from each and every one of you. What is your best and worst luxury purchase for 2022? And what are your tips to make sure you always get the best deals on the market? Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me. Again, happy 2023, happy new year. I will be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!